The waste industry is challenged by a number of factors that impact overall business performance. While options for technology inside the cab have grown dramatically over the last decade, fleets are challenged about how to best track productivity and improve the interface with their customers, all the while allowing the vehicle operator to focus on safely driving the vehicle. Fleets also struggle the moment their equipment touches their customers in areas like overloaded containers, recycling contamination, blocked containers causing missed pickups, identifying container location, failed setouts, and property damage claims. With the advancement of technology, there's a means to collect data passively from a refuse collection vehicle, or RCV, without the driver having the distraction of being required to push a button, take a picture, or getting their phone or tablet out. This has a positive effect on the hauler's performance, improves their relationship with their customer, and ultimately grows their bottom line while ensuring the driver is focused on operation of the vehicle. Now that I've set the stage, I'd like to introduce you to Third-Eye's Verif-Eye module. With Verif-Eye activated in your vehicle, you have the ability to passively collect a time and date-stamped image of every service event or customer touchpoint, providing real-time visibility from the comfort of your office. Continue to watch as Third-Eye demonstrates our Verif-Eye module, another step to help customers like you make better decisions faster. The Third-Eye digital gateway, mounted in the cab of the vehicle, is connected to the RCV's J1939 network and broadcasts chassis and body data to the cloud, where it is then compiled and converted into actionable information. In addition to the gateway, Third-Eye's system can support up to 8 cameras, providing fleet owners 360-degree visibility. With Verif-Eye, event images are passively collected and then sent to the Third-Eye portal for digital confirmation that service was provided or not provided at that exact location. If unable to service the customer, the photo records the reason. These images can also be sent to your back office ERP to simplify customer service, billing, and reporting. Utilizing artificial intelligence, Verif-Eye can also automatically identify overloaded commercial containers and these exceptions for immediate invoicing or service increase opportunities. Fleets can access pictures or videos immediately when a customer has been serviced and can provide customers with an updated service schedule if there are expected delays on the route. This dramatically increases route productivity and end-user satisfaction. With a Verif-Eye module from Third-Eye in your fleet's corner, your drivers drive. It's what they do best. Your customer service representatives use real-time data to address customer relations. It allows you to provide immediate customer service. No guesses, no "I'll get back to you later." And factual documentation helps avoid hard feelings from end users when pickups don't occur for reasons they are unaware of, like a blocked container. Finally, it allows your back office to accurately collect the activity on your fleet's route and ensure that proper service and accurate billing is being provided on a consistent basis. Verif-Eye, a part of our connected collection vision, focused on helping fleet owners make better decisions faster. Contact your local Third-Eye, Heil, or SoftPak dealer for more information.